Game developers, listen up. If you're ever dreamed of having a massive library of professional grade game assets, sound effects, and tools at your fingertips, now's your chance. Humble Bundle has just dropped the gigantic GameDev assets and tools MegaBundle. We're talking about assets packs, animations, environments, tools, plugins, ready-to-use systems like the Hyper Footstep system, like the Hyper Outline and Symbol system. If you want to get the entire collection, it costs €31. That's right, it's 31, less than the price of a single plugin or ad package included in that bundle. If you want to get less items, for example, 13 items, cost is around €15.44. And if you want to get just 4 items, it's just €1.20. And as this is a steal, I just got everything here in the bundle for myself for that €31. Everything in this bundle is available for Windows, Mac and Linux. So no matter what system you are on, you're covered. And here's the best part, all those assets can be redeemed directly on Cosmos and also on Fab. What you need to do is have a registration on Cosmos, then go in the section on the left, redeem, click redeem and just put the code from the Humble Bundle over here in Cosmos and the assets will be available on Cosmos. After that, you go to your profile, open your inventory, and right now I've selected the Hyper Footsteps. And here on the right section, I can choose Unreal Engine and I can choose a version straight downloaded from Cosmos, or you can click below the download button which says get redeem code for Fab. So if you want the assets on Fab, just click here and it will give you a code. After you have the code, open Fab with your account, go to your account and click Account Settings. After you click Account Settings, click in the section Redeem Code and enter the redeem code from Cosmos. And now all the assets that you purchased here in the bundle are also available on Cosmos and they're also available on Fab. So let's take a look some of the assets, what we have here. This is a massive bundle combination of different kind of studios together. So here, for example, you have the scalable interaction system. This is created by Hyper. Here we have a great Victorian streets created by Vitruvian Triad. And if you scroll all the way down, you can see some environments from Leartes. It also includes stylized West Ruins. This is created by Style Arts. Here we have a complete pack with the swimming animations. We have fishing mega pack, we have a time manager system also created by Hyper. Here we have some weapons. If we check the quality, for example, for this Roman statue pack, you can see that this is very high detailed pack. So if you are serious about game development, whether you're an indie dev, a hobbyist or building your next big release, head over to Humble Bundle right now. Link to this asset is in the description of this video and grab the gigantic GameDev assets and tools mega bundle. But here's the catch, this is a limited time offer and right now you have 17 days and 5 hours to grab this bundle. For me personally, this price is a steal for this pack and I grab it for myself. Thank you guys for watching this video. See ya in my next video.